Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to bold text in Facebook Post. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm right here on my Facebook page, and let's say you want to make a post and you want to actually have bold or italic text in it. Normally, when you go to make a post, you'll notice that the options available let you add images, tag people, use emojis, or even add colorful backgrounds. But what you can't do in Facebook's built-in options is bold or italicize words. There's simply no formatting option for that. The way around this is by using a third-party website. One that works really well is texteditor.com. Once you're on that page, all you need to do is type the text you want into the editor. For example, if I write how to bold a Facebook post, you'll see multiple style options appear below, including standard bold, strong bold, double struck, bold italics, and even more creative looks like Gothic styles, emoji text, or boxed letters. For this video, I'll select the standard bold option. When I click it, the text is automatically copied to my clipboard. Now I just go back to my Facebook post, paste the bolded version in, and there it is. My word or phrase is bolded inside the post. You can repeat this for as many words or sentences as you like, mixing and matching different styles if you want. And that's it. So that is how you can bold text in Facebook Post. So that's all for this video. Thanks.